I got a big announcement to make. Hi there, my name is Santiago and I just got signed by
Collision Drumsticks.
A little bit about myself. I'm a drummer, a content creator, and a social worker for the company
Dynamo.
in Amsterdam. I personally give free drumming lessons, but I also facilitate bands with free practice rooms. Yes, you heard that right. Free of charge. But I wouldn't be against a $15 Fortnite card. Just kidding. These sticks are great. They're 5B. They're quite thick, quite sturdy. They're perfect for my musical taste, which is metal, rock, pop punk, and bodycore. And even Yako here loves them. So shout out to Collision Drumsticks. They are really good with their customer service. They are really supportive with your musical career. And they got cool ass logo. Like, look at this arrow. They're dope as. But anyways, enjoy the cover.